Alright, here are the beads, and I'm just going to go ahead and unbox them. Open them up with a proliferated top, and slide out the beads that come in the box. On here it says RR Gemology Center certificate. A lot of information you could probably read on your own. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up. Alright. Looks like there's some sort of tape or actually a lock that's keeping it. So I'm just going to go ahead and open them up. And on the top there is a testing certificate to let you know that they are real. Right here it shows the round beads. So let me go ahead and pull them out. So here are some beads right here. Use this as a bracelet of some sort. Right here. Get that look at that. And here is the necklace part of it. Right here. Necklace part of it. And there's a little string. And it comes with a nice pouch to put them in. Right here. All right, you see that? The nice pouch. So you have the necklace to go on your neck. And then you have two bracelets right here, which I'm pretty sure you can adjust. You have to slide them out. I can figure out later. So pull them apart like this, and you can adjust it. And put one on around my wrist really quick. And then tighten it up. Maybe you get somebody close to you. Tighten up the beads for around your wrist. So I'm just going to pull it out. And just make it loose enough to put around my wrists. Just like that. And then I'll put the necklace on later. So that's the unboxing of this. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.